mountains crumble with a whisper low. His mighty hand is all I need to know. The oceans rage, but he calms their roar. When God steps in, there's peace on every shore. Stars are hung by his timeless design. The sun obeys his spoken line. His breath of life ignites my soul. In his power I am made whole. Oh, the power of my King divine. Chains will break where his light will shine. No battle too great, no storm too wild. In the arms of God I am his child. Valleys rise where his footsteps tread. He takes my fears and fills me instead. Of doubt and loss, he makes me see that through it all his love sets me free.